All right, working on Hannah's 2003 Toyota 4Runner. That was a donate to his car. Been running good. The belt started making noise. I replaced this idler pulley right here. But to get to it, you've got to take the power steering pump loose, remove the alternator, and to get to the alternator, you got to drop the skid plate underneath to get to that bottom bolt. I took the fan off to give room, and then I had to take that upper hose off to get it out of the way, and then this upper intake air plenum and this cover for the timing belt cover has to come off. A lot of things have to come off just to get to it because that bracket shares a couple of studs. So anyways, I'm about to finish up. This one runs smooth. Here's the old one. You can't even move it. It's just like so seized up. So that was definitely the problem. So anyways, and then my gopher has went to go get me a new idler pulley because while I'm at it, I figured I'd change it. The idler pulley goes right there. It was feeling a little gritty, so I figured I might as well change it, make it nice and quiet. So stay tuned.